How to tell if air purifier is working. How an air purifier works. Air purifiers work by drawing in contaminated air and running it through a filtration system. 3 ways to tell if air purifier is working. Number 1. The most obvious way is to look at the particulate matter levels in the air. Number 2. Another way to tell if an air purifier is working is by how it smells. Number 3. Lastly, you can also tell by how you feel after being in the room with the air purifier turned on. 5 tips to keep your air purifier active. Tips 1. Make sure to read the instructions carefully before using the purifier. Tips 2. Place the air purifier in an ideal location. Tips 3. Keep the filter clean. Tips 4. Look for visible signs of dirt and dust. Tips 5. Check for leaks.